Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert a SIM card into your NUBIA Z70 Ultra. So to do it, I'm gonna take it out of the case, only at the bottom actually, because I just need to get to the bottom right here, because as you can see in here there is this SIM card tray, and you'll need to take your SIM card tray opener, which is included in the box, or any other one from other phone, or if you don't have it, you can also use a small needle that will fit in here. Put it in until it pops out. Now you can take this SIM card tray opener and put it away, and just take out the whole SIM tray. And on one side there is SIM 1, on the other side there is SIM 2, so you can insert both of them. This should be this orientation, so it matches with this bevel here. So and also so the chip goes outwards. I'm gonna insert both SIM cards, but you can also insert just one. Then pop it in here, the correct orientation, so this hole matches with this hole right here. Put it in. I think one of my SIM cards has a SIM pin, so I just need to enter it for SIM 1, then approve. Now enter my phone pin. Okay. And now I have both SIM cards inserted. You can see I have signal for both of them, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.